I know what to do because I can learn this. Well, I think papillon there seems to be doing there. That's a city. And the city, they were going to so let's see it when I got soccer, by the way. Why you motherfucker? You just want to pocket chase there. Yep, you got that, there's one more. So scared out here. It's almost one of the tunnels. We are here. Ooh, stop. Watch out. Okay, well, I stop in here. What's the just tunnel thing? Okay, let's see. Alright, so let's go for the trunks. You will find a view of just another trunk. You just find what you like. Alright. So if you let you, sir, you look like a friend of you. Stop. Hey, sir, stop the way. Oh, no. There you go, speed limit. Hey, hit the speed limit. Stupid shit. Oh my god, nah, come on. Yeah. Alright, yeah. Stupid, yeah. Okay, let's get away. Go up there. It was just an apple. It's not funny anymore, stupid. Oh my god. We're not funny anymore, stupid. Stop it, we're good. Stop it. Alright. Joystick X's? I got just an hour of somebody. You gotta just go on there. The city for the control. Okay, oh my god, I missed the city. Oh, stop, okay. Stop. Okay, wait, papillon there. I saw that about papillon. Stop. I'm just driving up. Oh my god. I think my jet tire split. Unless you got a sharp. I thought you were going having a sharp. Oh my god. Look at that, my tire split. I'm a survival. Really? That's me? I just got a survival, bro. Oh my god, I just got a little slow to driving. Oh my god, I'm just drifting. So that wheel is gonna be empty. But funny, I was braking in the way, the rest of it. I just braking and then I pressed the brake. Bro. I just pressed it. See, I just pressed the brake in there. That's one. So the pressing the brake like this. That I just called stop. I told to break the freaking truck. So let's get with them or something. Okay, just a little bit. It's too close, bro. It's dangerous. I hate some things. When I just joking on you with Papillon. Wait, Papillon, tell me what you're doing. I saw it Papillon in there. We got Papillon in there. So where I saw them? Dude, where's out here? Dude, you stick on the freaking stupid buildings in the city right here. Dude, this is from a terminal city because we got terminal city or a planet like that. We are all too big just to know shit. I don't know why I'm pretty stupid. This one is just doing like a fucking war. Where are the funniest best of the fucking warrior? The best of the fucker. We are in front of the airplane. Okay, one in front of the day. Wait, I think this is what bully you're doing, you bully. I think this is another screenshot. This is what I'm doing. But that what is up time crash? You know we got this gold crash in there, so bully. And that what? And this kind of the airplane is standing so flat. Look at that. Oh, the wheel's so flat. Look at that. This wheel's so flat. How can you fix this? What? We are just racing, bro. Or I'm gonna be crashed. We're gonna call him stupid and like he just not on his plan. What do you mean the plan? If you don't go down with something fun, but my job, okay, take a look. Come on, you stupid. So let's see. Alright, so okay, let's see. God damn, just gonna crash. Goofy, you go on that drifter like that. I just go on driving drifter like you just call me shit. I gotta tell you, stupid. Oh my god, I forgot the lights. How fun are you doing? Have fun. You just got a papillon in there. Wait, I think there's fun with there. I think the she got fun in there. Saw that. Wait, I saw it. I think she's over there. Stop. Uncle, stop. I think she's here. Dude, where's I here? I saw she's gone there building right here. Yeah, you can stop what are you doing? Yo, I think she got from the hotel. Because there's a building in there and it's just so fine. It's fine, bro. I'm just fine. Okay, so let's do that. Wait, so let's see, get on my truck. Well, I'm on crashed and it's almost crashed. So let's see. Let's go. Okay. Stop. Okay. I just couldn't, bro. What is it? There. Or there. I don't know. What is it? Just the monkey's nut right here. Dude, I just got him with you. Something sounds melting. There's a sound. Oh my god, what's the sound? What's wrong? We're breaking there. Okay, so the truth. But something flannel there. Okay. There's something supposed to be there. Is there bad things in there? Oh god, that's this one. I just got on my truck. I have to just feel like that for it. By the way, let's go with just the voice. Just call someone there. He's cursed. I think Papillon cursed. She's cursed. Papillon is cursed, bro. I'm just going to with her. Papillon, open the door. Open the door. Papillon, open the door. Please open the door. Ah, she don't want it. She don't want it. Hey, open the door. Papillon, open the door. Open the door. Stupid. Oh my god. Becky. We are out on you, fucker. That's one fucking door in there. That's so locked. So let's see. My house. Should I jump it? Oh god, it's not. It's locked. It's locked. Oh, but it's locked. It's locked. I just almost thought it was locked. Stupid, I just fell on truck. I just said, you were kind of good run on this. Oh god, look at this. I saw something. Oh, ghost. Why can't I have a scary ghost? Like the puppet is this? Oh no. I can't get far just that or what kind of them. Because Papillon alert is just as strong, and then she's standing in front of you, since something is standing. Oh god. We are just making movies, you just won't see in there. I saw there was one of them. I saw something and just that's walking the window. He's locking it through the window. Shut the door, bro. Papillon, please shut the door. Please. Oh no, stop, okay, take it. Stop, stupid, stop, shut the motherfucker. Maybe we are having to go on a plan. There's one more. Right? I'm gonna wash it again. Ah na 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 na. Stupid. Okay, I'm gonna break. Okay, I'm kinda break. I kinda break. Right, so let's get out of there. I'm kinda break, bro. Wow, from this ghost. But he looks like a bully. He's does so bully. Let's just take a look at. What? Stop playing like that. No, stop playing like that, my life, bro. Stop. Oh no, I can't break. I can't. Oh no, stop. Look at it. Yeah, stop. Oh my god, I can't break. No. Oh my god.